Hey guys, so this package is from Potcha Slimes. They are a slime company based in Canada. I ordered 4 slimes, 2 from their Lunar New Year restock and 2 from their Sanrio inspired restock. Everything came in this box with a tissue paper. There wasn't any bubble wrap, but nothing was damaged or anything. So it comes with some candy, an alcohol swab, and this red envelope, and it has just some more candy in it. It also has a coupon code scratch off thing, which is really cool, and a Potcha Slimes sticker. Here is everything that I got in this package. So this is the Potcha Haw Flakes slime. It is a hawthorn candy scented jelly and foam disc slime. And it also comes with real haw flakes that was taped onto the container, which are edible. The slime's not, but the haw flakes it comes with is. Overall, I really enjoyed this slime. The scent was pretty accurate in my opinion. Yeah, it was just overall a really good jelly slime. So this is the Tikoy slime, and I'm just going to read you what it says on the label. So it says, our mochi chewy texture that is jiggly yet fat and inflating, chewy like mochi dough, inspired by Lunar New Year rice cakes with brown sugar, scented glutinous rice cakes and brown sugar. So overall, I really enjoyed this slime. The texture is so nice and so chewy. Now it has been a long time since I've had Tikoy, so I don't even remember what the scent smells like. The scent is pretty nice, and Potcha slime scents are usually pretty accurate. So this is the Badtz Maru Herbal Jelly Ice Slime, and I'm just going to read you what it says on the label. It says, Snowfizz Jelly Slay, crispy snowfizz with jelly slime with whip, scented herbal grassy jelly with condensed milk, inspired by Badtz Maru from Sanrio. So this slime came with this purple clear slime, a white slime, and then a white clay like ice cream scoop thing with a little decorative leaf. And it was really fun to assemble this and put it together, and it looks so pretty that you feel kind of bad having to destroy it, but overall, I really love this slime. It makes such great, like, sounds. I know that sounds kind of weird, because I don't know the right words for it, and the scent is pretty accurate, and I don't know, I just really loved this slime overall. So this is the Rilakkuma Milk Tea Creme Brulee, and I'm just going to read you what it says on the label. It says Wax Slay DIY, a glossy Korean glue layered with snow fizz and a wax shell to mimic creme brulee top. Scented milk tea creme brulee, wax may fall out, can be removed easily. So when I opened the lid, some of the slime actually got on top of the wax, but you could easily remove that so you can see the wax again. And it came with a little whipped cream clay, 2 little squishy berry charms, and a leaf. And it was a tad bit sticky, so here I am adding a little bit of activator. Okay, so this is the extra slime. It is called Cozy Blankets. It is a plush, sizzly, jiggly, creamy slime. And it is scented like marshmallows and assorted berries. It comes with these little circular foam discs. Hey guys, so this package is from Slime Yoda. It came in a bubble mailer, and then these slimes came in this box, and in the box came with a business card slash slime care card, an extras bag with candy, I think that's a tattoo, and some borax. So I ordered 2 slimes. This one is the Dragon Drink slime, and then I also got the Will You Be Mine slime. And here's everything that came in the box. And I don't know why the charm was stuck on the Dragon Drink one when it should have been with the Ube one. So this is the Will You Be Mine slime. It is scented like magnolia blossom, and the texture is a sizzly, clay, dry, fluffy slime. So I did enjoy the texture of this slime. When you first play with it, it kind of feels a little bit wet, but that sort of goes away after, you're playing with it for a little bit. Overall, this is a pretty good slime. The only thing I don't like about it is the scent. It actually smells like fabric softener. And I guess it's better than smelling like glue, but it still kind of smells like I'm doing like my laundry or something, so. So this is the Dragon Drink Thickie. It is a thick and stretchy slime, and it is scented like dragon fruit juice. So I'm not totally sure what dragon fruit juice smells like, so I can't really tell you how accurate the scent is, but it's kind of a light, fragrant scent. Overall, I really love the color and the look of this. And I like the little pink glitters in it. And it also comes with these little, I guess, dragon fruit slices and these little, like, pinkish beads. And it is a pretty nice, thick and glossy slime.